Howdy everyone, I'm Pothead Pete, man, and this is Pothead Pete's Car Shop, man. Like, you want to buy a car, buy from me, Pothead Pete, the car salesman and employee of the month at Pothead Pete's Car Shop. This is a good car, this is a vintage car, I can't tell if it's new or used, and I guarantee you pay only sticker price or higher, but bargaining is guaranteed also. In this car, it's got mileage. If this car breaks down, you can buy another car. You can even like smoke pot in it, man. And if you can't smoke pot, then why buy a car? And remember my promise. If your chocolate tastes like broccoli, then your TV will taste like a toaster. So come on down to Pothead Pete's Car Shop today and give me your money so I can give you this here car.